Y'all, welcome back to a new video. So today is our last day here in Sweden, and I'm sad that we have to go, and here we are all busy packing our stuff. We had to pack our fishing rods, put them somehow in the suitcase, and all of this. And we went shopping, so that's why I have so many stuff. See y'all in the car. So this is the place where we're at now. And we have to go. I'm so sad. Here they're building a new house behind here. My dad is driving. Yeah, it's really good weather. This was our car. A big 9-seater. I think a Volkswagen from Europe car. Now at the airport and we have to hurry. We have to buy some groceries for the flight to eat. Now we're going to go on the airplane. We can walk from down here on the airplane. So it looks from the ground. Now arrived on the airplane. Oh, my hair is a mess. We've now arrived on the airplane in our seats. And we're going to take off soon. We're going to try this 7-Eleven sandwich, y'all. Lime avocado chicken. Let's try it.
Bruh.
5 out of 10. It's not so good. Before, you know, in those flights you can get such toys if you're a baby. So I asked as a joke if I can also have one. And then they also gave me one now. They found it. Finally, we had to wait 1.5 hours until we can take off. And much turbulence in this plane. It's really having very race. Nothing. Swiss Savers card with food. Swiss all time. Pasta, after work meal, breakfast saver, sweet treat. Oh, chicken breast sandwich. Avocado hummus sandwich. Ooh. I'm hungry now. Salmon cocoa. Look at this. Freshly made in Switzerland every day. Soft drinks. Tomato juice. Huh? Water taste test. Tastes like water. This river down there, this one starts, I think in Switzerland, I think it's the Rhine. It really much turbulence again. It's really shaky. Look at this. It's so shaky.
We're in the clouds.
Yeah, it's really much turbulence. Look at this. And touchdown. Wow. And we've made it in Switzerland. So I could sit into the cockpit where the pilot sits and see the place.
Hast du das nimmer weiß?
So I was in the cockpit now with some very nice pilots. I learned their names and I got to know them a little bit. This is a very new model of airplane and it's about 2 years old. And yeah, it's really nice. So as you can see here, it's really nice weather. And it's cooking here, it's like 30 degrees. When we left in Sweden, it was like just like 17 or even 60 degrees. Oh, I'm sweating by just walking here, it's so nice. I miss my home country. And that's what happens if you stay for long in the other country, like almost a month. This journey has been very. And if you've made this far to this video, I ask you to like and subscribe. To make such trips is really hard and expensive and everything. So I will see you all in the next one. And thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one. Please share this video.